Hey everyone, I'm glad you're here and watching this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Visual Studio 2022 easily and quickly. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar on your PC and type Visual Studio Installer. Click on the Visual Studio Installer when it appears. Once it opens, you'll see a button that says Update next to Visual Studio 2022. Just click it. Now, sit back and wait for the update to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the update is finished, click Launch to open Visual Studio. Congratulations, you've successfully updated Visual Studio 2022. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.